are you thirsty?
Yeah.
Are you thirsty?
Yeah.
Are you thirsty?
Yes.
How about you? Are you thirsty?
Kind of.
What are we gonna do?
Go get a drink.
Where though? Where?
Inside.
Inside. See, this is the problem. Inside. Don't you guys wish we had a water fountain?
Yeah.
This is Hamlin. And these are our fields. We have tennis courts and basketball courts and the best playground in the area. But guess what's missing? What don't we have for all those children and all those athletes who come to enjoy these wonderful aspects of our park? Can you believe it's a drinking fountain? There is only one public drinking fountain on Town Hall grounds, and that one is indoors at Town Hall. But if it's a weekend and Town Hall is closed, we're out of luck. So here we are asking you for help. Through your generous donation, we'd like to get one, maybe two drinking fountains. We particularly like the ones made in America. All right, young sir. Tell me, do you think there should be a water fountain in this park?
Yeah, because if kids forget to bring their water, what are they going to do? They're just going to sweat to death.
Sweat to death.
And then they also have to walk all the way to Town Hall from the playground.
They have to walk where?
From the playground all the way to the Town Hall.
Yeah, but what if Town Hall's closed?
Then they're out of luck.
Out of luck, sweating to death. Why do we need a water fountain here?
Because if people are thirsty on the field and they can't get to the nearest water fountain, they should just be able to come right there and get a drink.
Exactly.
I agree.
I want a drinking fountain!
Awesome.